Video on.
You gonna scoot forward?
You gonna ride it? Let me go up a step so I get a better view. Julian!
He looks like he's
like... He likes the spinny part.
Watch this, Julian. You wanna do that one?
Does this part open up?
Yeah.
It's a little trunk, how cute!
This is the antenna. And this is the gas cap.
Yeah, it's like a little car. You know, he's opening it, that he saw me open it, and now he's opening it.
You wanna drive? Keep your butt on it.
Is he trying to stand?
He's just lifting his butt up a little bit. Yeah, scoot along. Push.
Julian! Julian! He just likes the spinny part.
He'll get it. He's also kind of tired.
Julian, can you look at the camera once? Mommy can turn it off. Okay, that's a waving bye, I guess.